Hi everyone, my name is Jacqueline, a third-year medical student, and during my preparation for USMLE Step 1, I came up with several mnemonics to help me memorize crucial information that I kept missing. One of them has been proven to be extremely useful, and I still rely on it today for my shelf exams. You're probably thinking, what is this mnemonic? Well, I got you. Step number 1, write out Müllerian Agenesis. This is the topic for today. And we should always remember to draw our two dots or diuresis. This is the high yield component of our mnemonic. And what is underneath the two dots? U. In your mind, you should always correlate the two dots for ovaries, right? And how many ovaries do we have? We have 2. So Müllerian agenesis, our ovaries or the ovaries are working properly. And we have to remember GRNH yields FSH and LH, and this produces estrogen and progesterone, okay? In Müllerian agenesis, the ovaries are working, so we have normal levels of estrogen and progesterone. What we have to keep in mind is the U. The U stands for uterus, okay? The uterus is absent. So the ovaries are functional and the uterus is absent. And if we also remember the anatomy, we have our fallopian tubes, right? Bear with me, I don't know how to draw. And we have our ovaries. Remember, we have 1, 2. And we have our cervix here. And this leads to the vaginal canal. So if we remember that our ovaries are functional, but the uterus is not, we can also remember that the cervix is not there as well. If that's absent, then we have a blinded pouch. If you just remember that in Müllerian agenesis, the 2 circles symbolize ovaries. We have 2, and that produces FSH, LH, estrogen, and progesterone. And the U is absent, so there's no uterus, there's no cervix. I'm telling you guys, you will always get this question right if the answer is Müllerian agenesis. For example, if the vignette says there is a present uterus, Müllerian agenesis is not your answer. However, if it says that the ovaries are functional, there's an absent uterus and cervix, your answer is Müllerian agenesis. Remember, the 2 circles stands for or symbolize ovaries. So the ovaries must be present and functioning. And the U is absent. So there's no uterus and no cervix. There's a blind-ended pouch. Guys, I'm telling you, every time if you symbolize the 2 dots as ovaries, you will always get this question right. Bye.